Weld-On offers premium products that deliver optimal performance across a variety of applications. As part of our ongoing commitment to providing industry-leading service, we have launched a series of tools designed to simplify the product selection process for our customers. Combining top-tier support with cutting-edge technology, the new Weld-On Digital Product Selector is a web-based feature that guides our customers through a brief series of filters that address the unique characteristics of their projects. In just a few clicks, customers can narrow down their selections by product type, project type, pipe requirements and sizes, product color, preferred set time, and any optional special conditions. The digital selector generates a short list of products that best meet these criteria, providing a brief overview for each, complete with a link to the product page for additional information. This feature is designed for use on both desktop and mobile devices. Click the link in the description to access the product selector and discover the ideal Weld-On products for your project. To equip our resellers and customers with comprehensive product information and guidance at the point of sale, Weld-On has created and distributed a series of counter mats. These mats include product details, selection data, accessories, and technical information, all in one convenient location. There are 3 counter mats, each focusing on a specific industry: irrigation, pool and spa, and industrial applications. These tools will aid sales staff and customers in finding the best cements, primers, cleaners, and accessories tailored to their specific project needs. Customers can also access the same information provided on the counter mats from the Weld-On website by clicking on the Product Selection Guide link in the top menu. Select from a comprehensive product line guide or by industry type, including irrigation, industrial, pool and spa, as well as electrical and plumbing products. A downloadable PDF file is available, allowing customers to have this information available on their desktop, mobile device, or in print. Click the link in the description to access these selection guides. As the world's most trusted bond, Weld-On understands the importance of not only manufacturing the industry's best products designed for a variety of unique applications, but also providing the highest level of support to our customers. These selection tools exemplify that commitment. To experience these tools for yourself, visit www.weldon.com and find the perfect products for your needs.